Council decide. Instead, they are sold at build cost to people who the local council decides have local needs. Council leader. It is now a matter for council leaders to manage their budgets at a local level. Council tax. Parties' plans for council tax. Counter-attack. We were very good defensively and also good on the counter-attack. Country develop. He said, no country can develop on the basis of foreign investment alone. Country market. The country's banking market is 3 times the size of Hong Kong's with annual revenues of $44 billion. Country network. It operates the country's national radio and TV networks. Country people. China's net users number 100 meters, but this represents less than 8% of the country's 1.3 billion people. Country population. The world's most populous country population 1.3 billion now has about 200 million middle-class consumers. Country system. The affair has made Mr. Bias Silva disillusioned with the country's legal system. County court. Santa Barbara plus a county superior court is due to consider the request on Monday. Course selection. It's a horses for courses selection really, said O'Connor. Court action. Yuka seeks court action on sale. Court battle. Boss support ahead of court battle. Court case. Extending in court conciliation, more informal hearings before contested court cases. Court judge. Sitting on Wednesday, 3 appeal court judges dismissed both appeals. Court reject. Court rejects $280 billion tobacco case. Courtroom. He was led weeping from the courtroom by U.S. Marshals. AP said. Court rule. The High Court last month ruled the act was valid and the proposed hunting ban was lawful. Court ruling. Tobacco giants hail court ruling. Cover page. How can you be happy when you see your face on the cover page and talking about doping? Cover range. The word urban seems to cover such a broad range of black music that it's wrong. Create character. Whedon created the character of Buffy in the screenplay for the 1992 film. Create content. They like the possibility to create their own content and see what's going on in the area. Create game. The Game Developers Conference included a special 2-day summit dedicated to creating mobile games. Create job. Its adverts and a new website outlined the group's plans to create more than 10,000 U.S. jobs in 2005. Create network. Each cell will be linked to the others, creating a vast home network of computing power. Create opportunity. The point was to create opportunities for people who may not have them. Quotation mark. Create script. Adam created a simple script that solved what we call the last mile problem. Create system. Last week, he sent out email messages asking for help in creating such a system for Asia. Creative force. The creative forces behind radio are related, says Curry. Creative idea. But a target of 1.5 million more by 2010 needed creative ideas. Creative industry. Between 1997 and 2002, the creative industry brought 21 billion British pounds to London alone. Credit card. Korean credit card firm rescued. Credit control. To some extent, the credit controls do seem to be taking effect. Credit facility. But now its banks have agreed to extend its credit facilities until March 2006. Credit market. Before too long, credit markets are likely to react, and interest rates will creep upwards. Crime investigation. Crime scene investigation. Criminal case. And criminal cases against the company's former management are proceeding separately. Criminal charge. Monsanto faced both criminal and civil charges from the Department of Justice and the SEC. Criminal investigation. It is now a criminal investigation. Criminal law. However, under German criminal law, prosecutors cannot pursue Citigroup itself. Criminal offense. The new bill will also create new criminal offenses on the possession of false identity documents. Criminal probe. Criminal probe on Citigroup deals. Criminal prosecution. It is the first criminal prosecution of internet spam distributors. Criminal trial. This is the standard normally applied in criminal trials in Scotland. Criminal underworld. Has anyone checked Bob Cratchit's family links to the criminal underworld? I wonder? Critic accuse. Critics have accused the party of effectively buying votes. Critic argue. Critics argue that introducing the cards would be a costly scheme with no specific aim. Critic claim. MPs are preparing to debate a bill which critics claim would legalize euthanasia by the back door. Critical issue. What they did, not what they were called, was the critical issue. He added. Critical part. Providing access to treatment is a critical part of this. Critical role. Government already plays a critical role in helping citizens trade with each other online. Critical time. Critical time for Liverpool with regards to Gerrard. Crop production. Ethiopia's crop production up 24%. Cross area. When people are crossing these areas, they step on mines. Cross boundary. Microsoft will adopt open standards allowing music to cross boundaries for the first time. Cross country. Britain's Paula Radcliffe has also not ruled out competing in the World Cross Country Championships. Cross line. If Radcliffe crosses the line first, she will have proved her critics wrong. Cross link. The much-delayed Crossrail link bill would provide for a fast cross-London rail link. Crowded bar. Forget about going to a crowded bar to enjoy a gig by the latest darlings of the music press. Crucial component. And Ronan O'Gara's tremendous ability to control the game was also a crucial component. Crucial decision. Crucial decision on super casinos. Crucial factor. Confidence is a crucial factor in defending. Crucial link. The vital local loop is the crucial link between telephone exchanges and homes. Crucial part. The train will be a crucial part of the film. Crucial point. I'm winning the crucial points and that shows I'm on top of my game when I have to be. Crucial vote. The text was released on the eve of a crucial Commons vote in which MPs backed the invasion of Iraq. Crude oil. Crude oil prices back above $50. Crystal ball. Mr. Pearson does not have a crystal ball. Crystal Palace. Sunderland v Crystal Palace. Cultural icon. The advert described the Star Trek franchise as a cultural icon. Cultural identity. Mr. Bell said such questions of religion and cultural identity were tricky issues. Cultural influence. Now, he said, the gaming world rivals the movie industry for sales and cultural influence. Cultural tourism. It could pave the way for a new form of cultural tourism. Culture develop. The latter is the seed around which the couch potato culture has developed. Culture society. Experts say this reflects how video games are becoming a mainstream part of culture and society. Cup competition. He scores goals in the league, in cup competitions and also in the Champions League. Cup final. Slovakia reach Hopman Cup final. Cup game. The Heineken Cup game was there at the weekend and the pitch is a bit threadbare, he said. Cup holder. Cup holders Man Utd visit Everton. Cup match. The 26-year-old Bryan twins have won all 4 of their Davis Cup matches this year. Cup victory. But he has the players and the talent to take them all the way to World Cup victory. Cup win. Moya emotional at Davis Cup win. Cup winner. Lions blow to World Cup winners. Curb inflation. The bank said it had acted to curb inflation, but the move was criticized by some analysts. Currency market. Concerns about the strength of economic growth going forward weighed on the currency markets. Currency trade. The U.S. currency was trading at $1.364 per euro at 1,800 GMT on Monday. Currency trading. The tax could fuel an active black market in currency trading, Mr. Barrianuvo said. Current administration. but he reserves particular disdain for the current Republican administration. Current climate. Unfortunately, the model is not a sustainable one in the current climate. Current form. He merits his return on current form. Current law. That's exactly what should be the case, and I believe the current law provides that. Current price. At current oil and gas prices, our cash flow situation is good, he told Reuters. Current record. Geber Selassie's current record stands at 8 minutes, 4.69 seconds. Current regime. But he defended the UK's current regime, saying all systems around the world were subject to abuse. Current release. Films will range in price from £1 or £2 for archived movies to £3 and 50 pence for current releases. Current status. But it's not about the current status. Current system. Many pensioners are disadvantaged by the current system. Current task. But the pair chatted amicably and Mr. Brown insisted he was happy with his current campaign task. Current technology. As games move to more photoreal capability, the current technology is limiting. Current trend. The current trend towards US production was stupid, he said. Current value. A spokesman for the firm said that the tax would wipe 5% of the field's current value. Current year. In September, the IMF had said that German growth for the current year would be 1.8%. Currently be. He said currently there were even incompatibilities within DRM families. Currently exist. Video on demand will offer a deeper range of content than currently exists on TV. Currently have. ABN AMRO currently has more than 100,000 staff. Customer demand. IBM said it had taken the step in response to greater customer demand for the open source software. Customer service. They are fed up with slow speeds, high prices and the level of customer service they receive. Cut cost. Ryanair said the new planes would help it to cut operating costs further. Cut deficit. The vow to cut the deficit had been one of his re-election declarations. Cut edge. Ferguson fears Milan cutting edge. Cut expense. We needed to cut expenses. Cut pay. The cuts will be paid for out of the savings identified by business troubleshooter David James. Cut price. M&S cuts prices by average of 24%. Cut spending. But okay in the cirques of Tories promising tax cuts and spending rises with the same money. Cut tax. Dr. Fox also underlined Tory promises to cut tax by £4 billion British pounds. Daily life. This is a concrete example of how the union benefits people's daily lives, he added. Daily Mail. Seaman told the Daily Mail, Jens is a fantastic keeper. Daily total. It is the highest ever daily total recorded by the Mobile Data Association, MDA. Damage economy. Giant waves damage Asia economy. Damaging effect. Mr. Barrianuvo says the measure could be dropped if it has a damaging effect on economic activity. Dance lesson. She spent 3 weeks learning Hindi and taking dance lessons. Quotation mark. Dance music. Dance music not dead, says Fatboy. Danger zone. Callum McRae surrendered possession before centre Steinmetz sent a chip into the danger zone. Dangerous precedent. Many discussion groups have said that it set a dangerous precedent and could incite vigilantism. Dark age. It looks as if a new dark age is coming. Dark day. That is not to say that Yahoo hasn't had its dark days. Dark horse. But the reality is $1 Million Baby is the dark horse. Data Association. It is the highest ever daily total recorded by the Mobile Data Association, MDA. Dead Man. Other winners included Paddy Considine, who was crowned Best Actor for his role in Dead Man's Shoes. Deaf People. Video phone help for deaf people. Death rate. Custody death rate shocks MPs. Death threat. It caused outrage among Muslims and death threats were made against him. Debit card. Spending on credit and debit cards has overtaken cash spending in the UK for the first time. Debt rating. According to Standard & Poor's, which has recently upgraded Mexico's sovereign debt rating. Debt relief. G7 backs Africa debt relief plan. Debut album. 50 Cent appeared on The Game's debut album, which was #1 in the US. Decent man. He was a decent, kindly man who helped me and my generation of politicians immensely. Decent wage. We can't afford not to pay a decent wage. Decision make. Listing would be one option, but we are flexible and no decisions have been made on that issue yet. Decision maker. A key factor for EU decision makers should be whether or not Turkey has met its economic criteria. Decision making. He said an enlarged 25-member EU needs a streamlined decision-making process. Declare bankruptcy. The law also makes it more difficult for a company to declare bankruptcy. Deem as. The committee has deemed Tuesday Free Mojtaba and Arash Day as part of its first campaign. Deep trouble. BBC News political editor Andrew Marr said, "I think that this is a bill in deep trouble. Deep water. More and more firms are finding themselves in deep water as a result of data misuse. Deeply concerned. We are deeply concerned that the new year will spell misery for huge numbers of garment workers. Deeply flawed. They have said the scheme is deeply flawed and a waste of money." Defense budget. India's defense budget has also been raised 7.8% to 830 BN rupees, $19 billion. Defense lawyer. Defense lawyers said Mr. Scrushy had been deceived by other executives. Defense spending. Report attacks defense spending. Defend decision. Martina Navratilova has defended her decision to prolong her tennis career at the age of 48. Defensive play. Two outstanding pieces of defensive play denied England and allowed Ireland to hold on. Defer payment. The agreement would also enable Turkey to defer payments on previous loans worth $3.7 million until 2006. Definitely need. We are under no illusions that it is going to be easy, but we definitely need a win. Definitely want. I definitely want to stay at City because I have really improved as a player here. Deliver aid. UK charities have also begun chartering planes to deliver aid. Deliver message. Instead, Mr. Blair will travel to key cities and marginal seats to deliver the party's message. Deliver service. But he said local governments had to deliver good services without big council tax rises. Democratic government. The whole purpose of democratic government is to eliminate poverty. Democratic process. Any exit strategy must augment and support the democratic process. Democratic society. Free expression is absolutely vital in a democratic society. Demonstrate ability. Selection beckons when players demonstrate such consistent ability. Deny charge. Khodorkovsky Ali denies charges. Deny claim. Goldsmith denies war advice claim. Deny report. But the firm denied reports it was withdrawing completely from Iraq. Department report. The belief comes despite the latest Labor Department report showing a surprise rise in unemployment. Departure lounge. This is a company in the departure lounge of life. Depend on. People think of it as being one thing or another depending on their point of view, said Mr. Hopkins. Depend upon. However, the nation's recovery very much depends upon it continuing its economic life. Deposit account. With the promise of riches far greater than a mere deposit account, they make great presents. Depress market. However, commercial piracy and illegal file sharing are continuing to depress our markets. Deputy Chairman. The former Tory Deputy Chairman's 5-year suspension from the party has just elapsed. Deputy Leader. He said Mr. Kilroy Silk had made him Deputy Party Leader of Veritas, Latin for truth. Deputy Minister. Deputy Prime Minister John Prescott said a good deal had been secured. Derived from. Now we're getting words that derive from it such as blogosphere and so on, he said. Deserve award. Phil Collins doesn't deserve awards for all the good songs he wrote? Deserve respect. Juninho deserves respect. Deserved winner. Robbie was a deserved winner. Design Award. The range of players recently won an International Forum Design Award 2005. Design product. One of the key aspects of the new approach is to design products that are easier to recycle. Design work. It is designed to work alongside Microsoft's Outlook and Outlook Express email programs. Desktop computer. In many Western nations, desktop computers that can access the net are hard to escape at work. Desperate need. And Rosneft is in desperate need of cash, so it's a good deal for them too. Desperate situation. Beyond the desperate security situation in Iraq lies an economy in tatters. Desperately want. It is no wonder the government desperately wants to move on from this disastrous law. Detail reveal. Some details of the chip inside Sony's PlayStation 3 have been revealed. Detailed history. Arbor Networks technology works by building up a detailed history of traffic on a network. Detailed look. This disc covers those special effects enough but is just one part of a detailed look at the film. Detailed proposal. Manchester United revealed on Sunday that it had received a detailed proposal from Mr. Glazer. Develop community. If nothing else, it will develop a vast and loyal community. Develop country. The most endangered are those who live in the least developed countries. Develop market. But that's true in other parts of the world and in most developed markets too, he argued. Develop plan. We would like to see couples develop a plan and then have it as a source of a court order. Develop program. The BBC is to invest £9 million in developing new comedy and entertainment programs outside London. Develop standard. Where it finds holes, it will develop standards to fill them. Develop technology. The two firms did not say if they were developing the technology for languages other than English. Developed world. The plans would help tackle the fastest growing rate of obesity in the developed world, he said. Development aid. EU aiming to fuel development aid. Development assistance. Talks are continuing on how to finance increased overseas development assistance. Development continue. Developments in this area are continuing. Development plan. Mr. Blair will focus on Africa's development plans and global warming. Development work. Locally. Too, say analysts. Recent political developments have worked to the market's advantage. Device use. In order to have an exact reference to the screen, a pen and tablet device is used. Device work. It is the way all these devices work together which will make the difference, he said. Die peacefully. Lord Scarman, 93. Dies peacefully. Diesel car. BMW to recall faulty diesel cars. Diesel engine. Volkswagen, meanwhile, says it will focus on clean-burning diesel engines instead. Different category. The winners from 12 different categories are crowned on March 2, 2005. Different country. Consumers adopt different digital products and services in different countries. Different equipment. Different equipment able to receive HD signals is needed though and is expensive. Different form. Blogs come in many different forms. Different game. He told the newspaper, if an admission is made, it is a totally different ball game. Different interpretation. The different interpretations between the referee and the players was a little difficult. Different meaning. I think it's a brilliantly written song with different meanings to different people. Different password. On average, people have to remember 4 different passwords. Different people. I think it's a brilliantly written song with different meanings to different people. Different perspective. It has been very interesting to watch the game from a different perspective. Quotation mark. Different product. Consumers adopt different digital products and services in different countries. Different purpose. The Nokia-sponsored research showed that mobiles and fixed phones were used for different purposes, different sound, but each of us makes another music, a different sound, different story. I've heard different stories, different technology. In the UK, the digital radio technology is known as DAB and works on slightly different technology, different thing. I can control hearing in my ears, the left ear or the right ear, different things at different times. Different time. I can control hearing in my ears, the left ear or the right ear, different things at different times. Different type. There are now many different types of P2P systems that work in different ways. Different usage. It's fundamentally different usage to what we have here, he said. Different use. But the research team found that many are put to very different uses. Different way. I thought both the 60-meter races were disappointing in different ways. Difficult decision. I have taken this difficult decision to concentrate on the regular circuit, said Moya. Difficult moment. It will be fundamental to keep cool in the difficult moments in the key situations of the game. Difficult part. All they need to add now is the big prizes, which, as we all know, is the most difficult part of all. Difficult problem. Your computer can now help solve the world's most difficult health and social problems. Difficult situation. We're in a difficult situation. Difficult task. Robinson ready for difficult task. Difficult year. Chief Executive Jean-Pierre Garnier said it had been a difficult year. Dig deep. She knows she can dig deep if she needs to. Dig hole. People digging holes with their hands. Digit number. Mr. Blunkett said a new 3-digit number would be created for non-emergency phone calls to police. Digital camera. Take digital cameras. Who would now pay to develop an entire film of photos? Digital channel. Viewers of digital music TV channel MTV Base voted Stone the winner in the Best Urban Act category. Digital collection. An increasing number of firms are offering web storage for people with digital photo collections. Digital divide. Global digital divide narrowing. Digital equipment. AADC will oversee the selection of cinemas across the UK which will use the digital equipment. Digital format. As with music, TV has moved to digital formats. Digital medium. The annual awards recognize the best in digital media. Digital network. UK pioneers digital film network. Digital photo. The largest digital panoramic photo in the world has been created by researchers in the Netherlands. Digital product. Consumers adopt different digital products and services in different countries. Digital technology. In the UK, the digital radio technology is known as DAB and works on slightly different technology. Digital television. But it is being branded as Television Numerique pour tous, or Digital Television for All. Digital TV. Categories include interactive TV, film, digital TV, mobile phones and music. Digital world. In the digital world you can make prints for considerably less than that. Diplomatic relation. I have no diplomatic relations with him, the Arsenal boss is quoted as saying. Direct connection. Instead it uses direct connections between computers or clients. Direct investment. India has raised the limit for foreign direct investment in telecoms companies from 49% to 74%. Direct mailing. The newsletter says, using the information we know about people, we can send them direct mailings. Directly control. One project examined how brainwaves could directly control a computer game. Dirty word. It's not a slang word or dirty word, it's a biological, anatomical word. Disappear completely. The one problem with the net that may never disappear completely is security. Disappointing result. Southwest have blamed record fuel prices for their disappointing quarterly results. Disaster movie. Airport. 1968 arguably remains Haley's best-loved work and prompted the disaster movie genre. Disaster recovery. Wedlogs aid disaster recovery. Disc jockey, Butraguno, meanwhile, was angry at being impersonated by the radio disc jockey. Discover truth. We have the evidence and it is time the world discovered the truth. Discretionary spending. These would see discretionary spending rise below the projected level of inflation. Discriminate against. UK discriminated against Roma. Discuss idea. He is said to have discussed the idea with Mr. McCain during his time at Number 10. Discussion group. Many discussion groups have said that it set a dangerous precedent and could incite vigilantism. Dismiss appeal. Sitting on Wednesday, 3 appeal court judges dismissed both appeals. Display panel. Plasma display panels are used for large, thin TVs which are replacing old-style televisions. Display screen. Other features include a display screen that allows users to watch TV and can rotate 180 degrees. Dispute settlement. It could take several months for the WTO's dispute settlement panel to report its findings. Dissatisfied customer. There may well be a number of dissatisfied customers in the next few months. Dissolve Parliament. Tony Blair is tipped to ask the Queen on Monday to dissolve Parliament, ready for a May 5 poll. Distant planet. The Clangers on some distant planet, with some giant CGI soup dragons chasing after them. Distinct advantage. Either one of those would have given me a distinct advantage. Distorted view. Lawyers also fear the effect because jurors have a distorted view of how forensic evidence is used. Distribution method. He said the distribution method for games would also change radically in the next round of consoles. District Court. The latest action was filed on Monday in the U.S. District Court in California. Diverse audience. The corporation said the new show aims to appeal to a diverse audience of music lovers. Divide party. What really divides the parties? Divorce husband. Among the records is the story of Jane Campbell, the first woman ever to divorce her husband. Do business. The Iraqi business people will do business at all times. Do deal. I said then you don't do deals over jobs like this, you don't. Do exercise. They are doing exercises in their school textbooks which have been digitized. Do film. I've done quite a few films. Do good. It's very disappointing and I'll have to do my best to deal with it. Do job. Jason is doing a tremendous job. Do operation. This means it would be capable of doing 1,000 trillion operations a second. Do play. We didn't play well at all. Do service. Do 100 hours community service. Do shopping. He ended up doing his present shopping on the high street instead. Do trade. Second, stock markets do not trade the sort of companies likely to have been damaged. Do trial. It is looking to do a more expansive trial later this year. Do trick. For example, the weekend's attempts by both men to play down the divisions failed to do the trick. Do work. But what does it do and how does it work? Do wrong. To supporters of England, Delaglio could do no wrong. Documentary feature. In July, the BBC documentary Secret Agent featured covertly filmed footage of BNP activists. Documentary film. As well as writing poetry, Simmons Roberts also makes documentary films. Dollar reserve. Japan is the biggest holder of dollar reserves in the world, with South Korea the fourth largest. Domain name. By early 2005 the net could have 2 new domain names. Domestic consumption. Greece makes 115,000 tons, mainly for domestic consumption. Domestic demand. But domestic demand seems to be taking up the slack. Domestic growth. If exports weaken and domestic growth remains poor, we cannot expect much from 2005. Domestic product. In the fourth quarter, the city-state's gross domestic product, GDP, rose at an annual rate of 2.4%. Dominate market. Sony has traditionally dominated the console market with its PlayStation 2. Dominate world. Researchers found that girls were often excluded from the male-dominated world of game playing. Door close. The door isn't closed on anything. Door open. Doors open at biggest gadget fair. Door slam. I have had doors slammed in my face, he said. Double blow. Double injury blow strikes Wales. Double fault. Roddick double faults but manages to keep his composure. Double figure. At about 80% of GDP, Turkey's gross debt is double that figure. Double output. Oil officials hope to double Iraq's output by the end of the decade. Double standard. We refuse to understand double standards. Doubt remain. But doubts remain about the new network's ability to ensure files being swapped are quality copies. Downside. On the downside, Irish rugby was hit by a number of tragedies. Download music. The inclusion of downloaded music in the official singles chart has been delayed for a month. Download service. We were the first to implement a download service back in 1997, he argued. Downward pressure. With the minimum wage, this downward pressure is at least partly removed. Draft bill. This draft bill is no exception. Draft law. Only 2 MEPs backed the draft law at the URI meeting, with 1 voting to abstain. Drama school. It is not often that somebody gets to play the lead role straight out of a drama school. Draw breath. But the Arsenal deal is the sort of deal that causes you to draw breath and say wow. Draw criticism. It has drawn criticism from environmental groups and overseas human rights activists. Draw a line. She can now draw a line under this year and make plans about her future. Dressing room. The players are really down in the dressing room. Drink beer. I had my youth having fun. Drinking beers. Blowing up milk canisters. Drink industry. Mr. Fox said the drinks industry was currently not regulating itself. Drive car. He was driving Shacker's car at the time and was shot in the head. Drive force. Television has been the driving force over the past 10 years. Drop dramatically. The number of illegal immigrants detected in Dover has dropped dramatically. Drug company. This is a very sensitive area for the big drugs companies. Drug deal. Both he and the game have admitted drug dealing in the past and have both been shot. Drug dealer. Both were drug dealers and were shot before turning to music. Drug education. He is to undergo a drug education and rehabilitation program. Drug enforcement. Drug enforcement chiefs in the U.S. have vowed to crack down on cheats. Drug misuse. Sadly, the 2004 Olympics did not escape the problems of drugs misuse. Drug overdose. He died of drug overdose in 1970 at the age of 27. Drug test. Have random drug tests. Drug trafficking. Environmental crises and natural disasters. Disease and drug trafficking know no national borders. Drug use. Committee Chairman John Denham said drugs of alcohol were sometimes used as an excuse. Due process. Their civil rights were systematically and deliberately abused and they were denied due process. During day. Around 10,000 people visited the campaign's website during the day. During decade. All regions saw at least a doubling in their assets during the past decade. During month. UK businesses are set to prosper during the next few months. During season. This could be critical if it remains the same during next season. During summer. Since its launch during summer 2001, the new Mini has gone from strength to strength. During week. He will work during the second week of the tournament. During year. During that year, 3,500 people produced 56,000 cars. Duty-free. The Florida company also owns a chain of 90 duty-free stores in the U.S. Dynamic scene. What the game is good at is enveloping you in noisy, dynamic scenes of violent chaos. Eagerly await. The spring launch of the PSP in the UK is eagerly awaited by gaming fans. Early age. The government is trying to encourage saving at an early age. Through its new Child Trust Fund. Early date. A commercial system could be as far away as 2012, though Siemens did not rule out an earlier date. Early day. It has been around since the early days of the net. Early December. The ad is due to run sometime in a 3-week period in late November, early December. Early month. Earlier this month, a China construction bank branch manager was jailed for life in a separate case. Early retirement. By my early retirement, I have held myself accountable, Mr. Raines said in a statement. Early stage. Portsmouth got plenty of bodies behind the ball to deny Arsenal space in the early stages. Early version. An early public version of the software should be available before February. Early work. Benitez's early work has given Perry renewed optimism about the years ahead. Early year. At this point CM5 looks like it will ship early next year. Earn money. Those admin really do earn their money. Earn point. He lets one slip but wins his next serve to earn 3 set points. Earn salary. I now earn a 6-figure salary. Earn victory. Kerr applauded the decisive move which earned the victory. Ease pressure. Castagneid said. You can't say any of those results have eased the pressure on Laporte. Quotation mark. Easily navigate. They are used so people can more easily navigate the web. Easily win. Clough took the long jump at 6.63 meters, while Seplik easily won the women's 800 meters in 2 hours, 1 minute, and 52 seconds. East Coast. The accident on the East Coast main line sparked major disruption. Eastern Coast. VW's proposed plant would be set up in the port city of Vishakhapatnam on India's eastern coast. Easy decision. It was a very easy decision to make, the 34-year-old told Norwich's website. Easy way. These have included giving people easier ways to publish them on websites, or mobile blogs, moblogs. Eat fish. And the 101-year-old Torio Toshitsune has eaten raw fish pretty much every day throughout his life. Eat food. This has been brought about by eating the right foods and cutting out the snacks. Eclipse record. Murray will eclipse the record set by Roger Becker back in 1952. Economic activity. Consumer spending accounts for about 2/3 of all economic activity in the U.S. Economic advisor. On December 28, another senior economic advisor called the sale the swindle of the century. Economic assessment. In economic assessment, there is safety in numbers. Economic condition. We are attempting to make real economic conditions better and to overcome deflation. Economic cost. Quakes economic costs emerging. Economic crisis. 3 years after Argentina was hit by a deadly economic crisis, there is fresh hope. Economic datum. We have seen good economic data on Ireland which benefits the financial stocks. Economic expansion. The breakneck pace of economic expansion has kept growth above 9% for more than a year. Economic failure. Tony Blair has said conservative policies would cause economic failure. Economic gloom. BBC poll indicates economic gloom. Economic growth. The ECB has forecast economic growth in the Eurozone of 1.9% in 2005. Economic health. Other indicators are also suggesting that the country is inching back towards economic health. Economic issue. Iraqi voters turn to economic issues. Economic landscape. The economic landscape has changed quite considerably over the last couple of months, he said. Economic life. However, the nation's recovery very much depends upon it continuing its economic life. Economic miracle. Ireland's economic miracle is enjoying a second wind, with 5% growth forecast for 2005 and 2006. Economic policy. It gives more powers to Brussels to coordinate things like employment and economic policy. Economic power. Economic power to Iraq's future after this Sunday's elections. Economic prospect. Inflation has since been tamed and economic prospects are improving. Economic reality. Whenever the market reflects Pakistan's true economic reality, it is described as a bubble. Economic reason. But there are also pressing economic reasons for Egypt's decision to enter into the trade agreement. Economic reform. EU too slow on economic reforms. Economic sense. But it's not necessarily a really big thing in the economic sense. Economic stability. For the first time ever, a whole generation growing up with unbroken economic stability. Economic summit. Changes to the pact are due to be agreed at an economic summit in March. Economic target. Their economic targets became known as the Lisbon Agenda. Economic theory. Indeed, there's even a piece of economic theory that explains all this. Economic trend. The decline of the dollar is a warning sign that current economic trends cannot continue. Economy contract. The economy contracted in 2003. Economy grow. U.S. economy still growing, says Fed. Economy rebound. German economy rebounds. Economy shrink. This is due largely to the faltering German economy, which shrank 0.2% in the last quarter of 2004. Economy suffer. In 2000, Borders Council said the area's economy had suffered since the closure. Editing software. They need only a microphone, a PC, and some editing software. Editorial staff. The Daily and Sunday Telegraph newspapers are axing 90 journalist jobs, 17% of their editorial staff. Education center. It is hoped the museum will also house an education center. Education level. Education levels among its young and large population are rising. Education policy. You can't have a higher education policy that is at odds with the government's science policy. Education program. He is to undergo a drug education and rehabilitation program. Education secretary. Her comments did not impress Tory Shadow Education Secretary Tim Collins. Effective range. Bluetooth has an effective range of a few tens of meters. Efficiency saving. The shake-up is aimed at helping making £86 million in efficiency savings between 2005 and 2008. Efficient way. They are not an efficient way of spreading viruses, said Mr. Hogan. Egg shape. Also on display at the show will be the egg-shaped iFoot. Election campaign. Blair looks to election campaign. Election day. This was not the appropriate place to announce election day, he stammered. Election manifesto. Job creation ranks high both on election manifestos and on the Iraqi people's wish list. Election period. The two political leaders clashed just days after the opening salvos of the pre-election period. Election pledge. One of President George W. Bush's election pledges was to have the budget deficit within 5 years. Election time. And they would all be out on the doorstep pushing the labor message come election time. Election year. Economy strong in election year. Electoral Commission. The Electoral Commission on Thursday said it was satisfied the question was easy to understand. Electoral fraud. The move comes amid claims the poll could be marred by electoral fraud. Electoral register. But Green MSP Mark Ballard fears people not on the council's edited electoral register may miss out. Electoral roll. Its electoral roll fell by 17.5% in a year, the biggest dip in the UK. Electrical signal. Brain activity produces electrical signals that can be read by electrodes. Electronic component. A well-designed electronic component is able to be recycled at low cost. Electronic device. The use of electronic devices in the Commons chamber has long been frowned on. Electronic instrument. It also doubles up as an electronic musical instrument. Electronic market. The U.S. consumer electronics market is set to grow by over 11% in 2005. Electronic music. In the world of electronic music, these purveyors of blip pop are not unique. Electronic trade. U.S. crude was trading at $51.39 at 0710 GMT in Asian electronic trade on Wednesday. Electronic trading. Shares of MCI were up more than 4% in electronic trading after the close of New York markets. Electronics company. Consumer electronics companies such as Nokia, Sagem, Sony and Thomson are gearing up for production. Electronics firm. Electronics firms iPlasma deal. Eliminate poverty. The whole purpose of democratic government is to eliminate poverty. Embrace technology. The BBC has already decided to embrace the technology. Emergency assistance. Nevertheless, 2.2 million Ethiopians will still need emergency assistance. Emergency call. Mr. Blunkett said a new 3-digit number would be created for non-emergency phone calls to police. Emergency meeting. TCI has called for Deutsche Börse to hold an emergency general meeting to discuss the bid for LSE. Emotion feeling. There's not a song done by anyone with more emotion and feeling. Emotional appeal. Edward's sister Rachel makes an emotional TV appeal 5 years after the disappearance. Emotional connection. We want to give players an emotional connection to the characters they play. Emotionally drain. I think she came to the start line in Athens physically and emotionally drained. Emphatically deny. After her Olympic glory, she emphatically denied she planned to retire. Employ people. At the start of the year, the company employed 268 people. Employ staff. Analysts expect its latest round of cuts to focus on its brokerage unit, which employs 40,000 staff. Employ technology. It is thought the men used sites which employ BitTorrent technology. Employment fall. Employment in manufacturing also fell and job expectations were at their lowest level for a year. Employment policy. It gives more powers to Brussels to coordinate things like employment and economic policy. Employment rate. Mr. Johnson said his department had a long-term aspiration of moving towards an 80% employment rate. Employment record. Reform could reduce poverty by aiding people with broken employment records. Enable use. Laptops may enable you to think different, but you can't use them to get busy with the fizzy. Encourage creativity. He concluded, we define ourselves as a nation by the way we encourage our creativity. Encouraging sign. There have been some very encouraging signs that the UK export recovery is starting to take hold. End day. The real estate firm, which dominates Lebanon's stock exchange, ended the day down at $8.08. End season. This game against Jonah will be a great way to end the season and end my career, said Johnson. End user. But as an end user I would want to know. End violence. The Palestinian Authority PA was exerting a 100% effort to end the violence. Mr. Abbas added. Endure pain. The lawsuit said Willis has endured extreme mental, physical and emotional pain and suffering. Energy plant. It's a mini energy plant that needs to be shrunk and shrunk and shrunk. Energy shortage. China's energy shortage influenced global prices for oil, coal and shipping last year. Enforce law. Licensees or employers who fail to enforce the law will face fines up to a maximum of £2,500. Engage people. Even in Grand Theft Auto it is not just the violence that engages people, he said. Engagement ring. She displayed her diamond engagement ring, a royal family heirloom, to reporters. English writer. It is based on the children's book by English writer Diana Wynne Jones. Enhance learning. Computer games could enhance learning and have a legitimate place in the classroom, say researchers. Enjoy atmosphere. I enjoy the atmosphere. Enormous amount. He has an enormous amount of self-confidence, judging by what he said in the past. Enough evidence. The options are, if there is enough evidence they will be charged. Enough power. The Dell provides enough power and software for basic gaming and internet surfing. Enough storage. It does not have the right connectors that fit a TV screen or enough storage. Enough time. Wenger also tried to stay upbeat himself, adding, "But there is enough time for crying." Enter Hall. U2 stars enter Rock Hall of Fame. Enter station. If the ink shows under the UV light, the voter will not be allowed to enter the polling station. Entertain audience. It also performs during the commercial breaks to entertain the live audience in the house. Entire community. I feel this is a giant step for me and the entire artist community. Entire day. Scientists are working on ways to ensure laptops can stay powered for an entire working day. Entire industry. We can help the entire industry become well known. Entire life. Making this film was the most fun I've ever had in my entire life. Entire month. The Oscar-nominated film followed Spurlock as he ate only McDonald's fast food for an entire month. Entire project. Currently, an entire DVD project can take up to 3 months, says Mr. Dean. Environment Committee. Experts are giving evidence on the subject to the Scottish Parliament's Environment Committee. Environmental crisis. Environmental crises and natural disasters. Disease and drug trafficking know no national borders. Environmental group. But the move has been criticized by environmental groups and the Liberal Democrats. Environmental health. The legislation will be enforced by environmental health and local licensing officers.